Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to swatch the Beauty Big Bang XL 093 plate. Here it comes in this cute little envelope with a snowman on it. And I'm going to get the blue film off of it. Peel that rascal off. And then we're going to clean it with some pure acetone and then we're going to hop on into some swatching. I am really excited about this one. I'm excited to see how good that angel swatches. So here we go. We got the little snowflakes and all these cute Christmas and winter holiday images. Very nice. So I'm just going to use a variety of Stampin' Polishes, and I'm going to swatch these over some of my recycled pop sticks from, Swatch and Polishes. And I just really do love these plates. Beauty Big Bang makes some really nicely edged plates, and that angel swatched great. Sorry the camera's a little blurry on this one. We'll act right here in just a minute. Isn't that a cute image? Love it. And this bow is just so nice. So cute. So I'm just plopping along, and I will show at the end of the video an up-close shot of all of the swatches that I'm doing today. So I am moving along rather quickly because there's a lot on this plate to swatch. Now pop in with a little piece of tape and remove that excess. So I will have a link for this plate down below, and I just want to remind you that they are going to be having some really great sales coming up. That information will also be listed down below. And if you do go order from Beauty Big Bang, you can get 10% off your order if you use the code PACK285. It is also listed down below. I don't get paid by Beauty Big Bang, but by doing demos for them on my channel and sharing my thoughts on their products, I am kind of, part of the family, and that is why I have a discount code. But a lot of YouTubers, have a discount code also. So I just want to let you know I don't get paid for it though. And I really liked this image over the magnetic. I thought that was really cute. Need to break out some magnetics and play. And there's a lot of images on this plate that I think would look really cute, done like with reverse stamping or advanced stamping, where you fill in the colors, and especially that one that had the stockings and stuff. Getting a little bouncy up in here. Best wishes. A beautiful Christmas tree with some reindeers. Very nice. I didn't have any issues with any of the images. They all picked up excellent. I will tell you that in my swatch photo at the end, I did smear a couple of them with my top coat, which was a Tina bad, not a stamping plate bad or anything. And this image, it didn't look so great over the color I used, so I'm going to just restamp it in white. Just go right over the top of that. And much better. You can see it's so much better. And I like these like hanging snowflake ornaments. They're cute. So ta-da! I do clean off my plates with pure acetone using a cotton ball and a mani saver or cotton claw, whatever you want to call it. I clean it and then I flip over and do some more cleaning. I make it look way harder than it is. It's really quite easy. That is how I clean my stamping plate. And here we go. We've got these images. Now, these down on the bottom I did pretty good. I didn't smear most of them. You can see that blue and pink one in the middle has got a little smear to it. But for the most part, I didn't, you know, this blue and yellow one up at the top is pretty horrid. But that's it. So I would love to hear what you think about this plate. Leave me a comment down below. I always love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.